Hey all my foodie friends, how you doing? I hope you're well. Today we're going to do a very quick and simple recipe with all fresh ingredients, and I think it's only 3 ingredients. We're going to have chicken breast and fiddlehead greens. Have you guys ever tried fiddlehead greens? They're absolutely delicious. They're only available in the springtime, so get them while you can. In a skillet, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use margarine if you like, or butter. Olive oil is the best though. 1 tablespoon of garlic. We're just bringing that up to temperature. Don't let your garlic burn. We just want to extract some of the delicious flavors and aromas that garlic has. I'm adding 2 chicken breasts that I've diced into some chunks, about a 1/2 inch big. This is a good size for about 2 people. If you serve it with rice and salad, it's a delicious meal. So we want to saute the chicken and get it brown. Please don't overcook this since it's chicken breast and it'll get really dry and stringy if you cook it too much. Add a little salt and pepper for seasoning. You guys ever had fiddleheads? They are so good. I discovered them by accident. Somebody served them to me once and I fell in love. It's like your first love with food. Mine was with fiddleheads. Chicken's starting to turn brown. And I'm going to add a blend of roasted garlic and red peppers. Now, if you don't have this, you could add some hot pepper flakes if you like to make this a bit spicy. The one I'm using is sweet, but you know me, I'm a bit of a wimp, but you can go ahead and use hot pepper flakes or pepperoncino or a dash of hot sauce, whatever you like. Don't make it so hot that you lose the flavor of the fiddleheads though. That's my only warning. Fiddleheads have a very delicate flavor, kind of like spinach. And if you drown it out with hot pepper, you're not going to really taste it. Here's the fiddleheads. This is 1 package of fresh fiddleheads. I think it's 3 or 4 ounces. I'm not exactly sure anymore, but I mean, you can buy these in bulk and just grab a handful and that'll be enough. Don't they look cool? They actually do look like the top end of a fiddle or a violin when it's all curled up like that. If you get them any bigger than this, you won't be able to eat them. They'll be so stringy and tough that you wonder why you bought them. They get rather expensive. Get them very early in the season when they're small. They're absolutely delicious. You must try. I've added some vegetable seasoning. This is flavor rice, but you use Vegeta. You can use any vegetable seasoning you like. I'm throwing in a splash of chicken stock because I just want the fiddleheads to steam a little bit in some liquid. You could use wine. White wine in this would be really good. And I'm just going to cover this and let it steam saute for just a bit. And my cover happens to be in the dishwasher. So there it is, finished. There's a little bit of liquid left, and you can certainly keep that, or you can take everything out and reduce that even more, whatever you like. There it is, finished. This makes enough for 2. Serve it with some rice and a salad, and you have dinner, and it's absolutely delicious. If you like the recipe, I'd love it if you subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have more foodies with me. Thanks for stopping by for some more food that warms your soul, and mine too. We'll see you next time.